locked inside your head. Do you realize the things you said never made sense? We can sit here and laugh, but we don't know the half of it in your defense. We've been talking a while, and it seems to me each time you smile, lights are coming on, but they don't burn too strong.